right, here we go. Let's see how many Porsche, Audi, Volkswagens we can count in this session. I've already seen a bunch of them. There's about 10 of them backed up behind a wrecker. And of course that wrecker had one on the bed of it, so somebody had an oopsie in the mountains this weekend. But this is the good part of 28. So I would imagine that we're going to see a few of the Euro cars. Alright, there's a BMW. I forgot BMWs are up here also this weekend. A lot of BMWs. I guess the BMW crew, they're probably with the same European sports cars. They're just not made by the same company as Audi, Porsche, and Volkswagen. Surprisingly, there hasn't been a lot of traffic out today. The 4-lane had a lot of the Euro cars. I guess they're heading back to the cities. So they didn't go to work tomorrow. Quite a few Scion FRS Subaru cars up here also. I don't know if they're just trying to be part of the European group, but away we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go with 5. That first yellow looks more like a Yaris. I'm going to buy a car that's baby puke yellow. In what world does somebody choose that color? I know, coming from a guy who's on a yellow motorcycle. But if you could see this yellow in the sunlight, you would see the pearl in it. And you'd say to yourself, hey, good choice, Honda. Good choice on a color, Honda. One, two, three, four. Those Volkswagen Golfs are really popular up here. Yeah, I know. They call them GTIs, but they're always going to be a Golf to the rest of us, aren't they? All right, welcome to Fontana Village, folks.